Hello friends, now I am unboxing RealMe C35. As usual, we see the box is yellow color and the back got the some specification about RealMe C35. Here we can see the some card menu of RealMe C35 inside only. They don't have any back cover and got also the SIM pin. Now we take the phone and this phone we keep it fast. And we can see here the cable. This cable is Type-C cable. RealMe C35 got 5000 mAh battery and 18 watt fast charging adapter. Okay, now we see the RealMe C35 looks. RealMe C35 got two colors, one is black and another one is light green. We are unboxing here the black color one. This look like is glass body, but this one is plastic body. The frame also plastic frame, but the frame is looks premium. The down got is speaker is single speaker and USB Type-C port, and another one is 3.5 mm. Overall, the design is really good in this budget phone. Okay, we open first and see. If we talk about RealMe C35 display, we can say the RealMe C35 display is IPS display, 6.6 inch display size, and the display protection is Panda glass protection. We are opening here the some app of RealMe C35, and the one thing is RealMe C35 got the Unisoc Tiger T616 12 nanometer processor. Still working good. The another thing is RealMe C35 got only single speaker. They don't have any extra speaker. And the Unisoc processor is new processor, but this processor is still better in this budget phone. Time for camera. Okay, we see the some image quality of RealMe C35. Here we can see here the some image of RealMe C35. Okay, now time for video. Let's see the video quality of RealMe C35. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Compare.